Have you tried making a tiered baby doll dress with lace-up detail along the center back? Hello, welcome back to Upcycle Clothing Designer. My name is Sunju. In this channel, I teach step-by-step tutorials on how to transform old clothes into brand new clothes. I use men's shirt, denim jeans, plain old t-shirt, and remnant fabric. So don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more trendy upcycle clothing projects. Today, we're going to continue adding more cute summer dresses to your DIY wardrobe. I chose to make tiered baby doll dress with lace-up detail on the back closure. I share dressmaking without a sewing pattern, how to evenly distribute a shirring with 2 rows of stitches, and also how to add a lining to your dress. I'm super excited to share these shirring techniques that I'm about to show you. It makes fabric gathering so much easier than ever. So let's get started. For this lace-up baby doll dress tutorial, I used the sheer poly crepe fabric that does require a lining. To make the front top bodice, copy the baby doll silhouette of a basic camisole top or slip dress. Fold the garment in half lengthwise and pin along the edge. Fold a piece of fabric in half and trace the side seam, high point shoulder, neckline, and armhole opening. Add half an inch seam allowance. Pin to secure and cut to make the front top bodice of the lace-up baby doll dress. To make the back top bodice, copy the front top bodice, fold the piece in half lengthwise and pin the edges. Fold the piece of fabric in half and trace the side seam. Then, draw the back neckline starting at the underarm opening. Pin to secure and cut to make the back top bodice of the lace-up baby doll dress. To make lining for the front dress piece, fold a piece of linen crepe fabric in half lengthwise. Start along the folded edge and use the front top bodice as a guide. Trace the baby doll neckline, armhole, and side seam. To mark the hemline, measure 30 inches down from the high point shoulder and draw 11.5 inch hemline perpendicular to the folded edge. Draw a straight line to connect the side seam with the hemline. To make lining for the back dress piece, Fold a piece of linen crepe fabric in half lengthwise. Use the front lining piece as a guide. Trace the side seam and hemline. Also draw the back neckline starting at the underarm opening. To assemble the top bodice, sew along the side seams to attach the front piece and back pieces with the right sides facing together. To make the lace-up straps, measure 2 separate 1 inch by 57 inch pieces. Fold the straps in half lengthwise and straight stitch along the edge. Use a loop turner to flip the lace-up straps inside out. To make the top tier of the dress, cut an 11 inch by 52 inches piece of fabric. To make the bottom tier of the dress, cut 2 11 inch by 38 inches pieces of fabric. To add shirring to the top dress tier, use wide stitch width and loose tension. Sew 2 straight stitches 1/4 inch apart along the top edge of the top dress tier. Pull on the back threads to bunch up the fabric and reduce the length of 34 inches. Tie the ends of the back thread and then top stitch along the top edge to lock the shirring in place. To add shirring to both bottom dress tiers, use wide stitch width and loose tension. Sew 2 straight stitches 1/4 inch apart along the top edge of both bottom dress tiers. Pull on the back threads to bunch up the fabric and reduce the length to 24 inches. To assemble the bottom dress tier, sew along the side seams to attach the front and back tier pieces with the right sides facing together. To complete the bottom of the dress, attach the top tier and bottom tier pieces with the right sides facing together. Pin to secure and sew a straight stitch. To complete the top of the dress, attach the top bodice and tiered bottom with the right sides facing together. Line up the top bodice center with the bottom dress center, pin to secure, and sew a straight stitch. To complete the back lining, measure 6 inches down the center back opening. Sew down the center back seam starting at the mark. To assemble the lining, sew along the side seams to attach the front and back lining pieces with the right sides facing together. To make loops for the lace-up straps, cut 4 separate 1.5-inch pieces from the end of each shoulder strap. In total, you need 8 strap loops. Measure the placement of each loop and space apart evenly down the top center back opening. Pin the loops to secure. To attach the shoulder straps, pin the lace-up ties to the high point shoulder on the Babydoll neckline. Pin to secure. To add lining, slide the lining over the dress with the right sides facing together. Top stitch around the top opening to attach the lining and lock the lace-up straps in place. To clean finish the hemline, double fold 1/4 inch and hem the bottom of the dress and also the bottom of the lining. Crisscross the shoulder straps through the loops and tie a cute bow to finish this DIY lace-up Babydoll dress. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this tiered Babydoll dress brightens up your DIY summer wardrobe. For more details, follow the step-by-step picture instructions on my website. You will see a link in the description below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your tiered Babydoll dress with me on Instagram at Upcycle Clothing Designer. Is there a sewing project that you want me to try next? Share your ideas in the comment below, or you can also direct message me on Instagram with inspo pictures. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!